Hello students, welcome to the online class again. I am Komal Makar, your computer teacher, and I welcome you all to the video classes. Today we will study chapter 2, part 2, the computer software. In the previous video, we have discussed about the meaning of software and types of software. And today's video class, we will discuss about the exercise given in our book. So children, let's begin. Students, these are the exercises of lesson 2. Our first exercise is word meaning or explain the following terms. First is software. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Once again I am repeating. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Second one is system software. System software is the manager of computer system. System software is the manager of computer system. Third is application software. Application software does some specific work only. Application software does some specific work only. Our second exercise is answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by software? Students, first question is, what do you mean by software? And the answer is, the set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. I am repeating once again. The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. Question number 2. What is application software? Our second question is, what is application software? And the answer is, application software does some specific work only. Again, application software does some specific work only. Third question is, what is system software? What is system software? Answer is, system software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Once again, system software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Question number 4. Write the difference between application software and system software. Answer. Application software helps us in doing some specific work, while system software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Question number 5. Give an example each of application software and system software. Answer. Example of application software is Paint and example of system software is MS Windows 7. Students, these are the answer of our third exercise tick the right option. You have to put the tick mark and you have to write the correct answer in the blanks. First question is, the Paint program is an example of dash. Answer is software. So, the Paint program is an example of software. Second question is, software is a set of dash. Correct answer is programs. Then, software is a set of programs. Third question is, to multiply two numbers, you use the dash program. Correct answer is calculator. And the sentence will be, to multiply two numbers, you use the calculator program. Fourth one is, window is an operating dash. Correct answer is system. And the sentence will be, Windows is an operating system. Our next exercise is fill in the blanks. Students, some options are given. First, you see these options and fill the sentence. Question number 1. Hardware and software help the computer to dash. Correct answer is work. So we can say hardware and software help the computer to work. Dash is a set of programs or instructions. Answer is software. Software is a set of programs or instructions. Third is, there are two types of software, application software and dash software. Answer is, there are two types of software, application software and system software. Fourth is, system software is like a dash. Answer is manager. So the sentence will be, system software is like a manager. Students, we are doing one extra question also. This question is given in the activity time at the last. So we will do this question also. Write the name of 5 application software you find in your computer lab. Answer is, 5 application softwares are Paint, Calculator, WordPad, Solitaire, Windows Media Player. These 5 softwares are given in your book. You can write any other application softwares also. Now there is some home assignment. First is, read the chapter carefully and learn the exercises of lesson 2. Once again I am repeating. Read the chapter carefully and learn the exercises of lesson 2. Second is, draw icons of 5 application softwares and write their names in your copy. you have seen many application softwares icons on the desktop. So you draw 5 application softwares icons from there, and in front of that you have to write that application software's name. Students, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and having good information about this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Students, these are the answer of our third exercise. Take the right option.